Hello, this is Tumusime Matthias on Success Ingredients channel, bringing you videos containing the critical ingredients for success. And today I'm going to share with you about failure. Yes, you can imagine, failure can as well be an ingredient for success. You see, there is nothing to fear except fear itself. The fear of failure is the greatest single obstacle to success in adult life. And you have to note this. It's not failure alone. You see, failure makes us stronger, makes us more resilient and more determined. But the fear of failure paralyzes your thoughts and your activities and holds you back from trying to do even the things that you need to do to be a big success. If you want to become successful faster, double your rate of failure. You see, success lies on the far side of failure. As a success ingredients viewer, yes, you must note this. Dare to go forward. For the highly successful people, they continue to take action in a forward direction towards achieving their goals to realize greater rewards. In fact, your attitude towards failure is probably the most important indicator of your readiness to become wealthy. You see, everyone is afraid of failure. Everyone is afraid of making a loss and poverty. Everyone is afraid of making a mistake and being set back. But for the highly successful people are those people who consciously and deliberately face this fear and take action anyway. So, in your life, yes, make a habit throughout your life to do the things that you fear. You see, when you do the things that you fear, the death of fear is certain. Every time you are faced with a risky situation, remember to ask this important question. What is the worst possible thing that could happen if I go ahead? I repeat this. What is the worst possible thing that would happen if I go ahead? And you know what? Whatever the answer is, make sure it doesn't happen. You see, when you act boldly, unseen forces come to your aid. Yes, any act of courage increases your courage and the capacity of your courage for the future. When you take an action in a forward direction towards your goals without guarantees of success, yes, your fears diminish and your courage and self-confidence increases. You eventually reach a point where you are not afraid of anything. Yes, in your day-to-day life, you need to note this point, that you have to recite this statement. Yes, you've got to recite this statement whenever you are working to achieve your goals, that failure is not an option. I repeat this again. Failure is not an option. Your job is to work tirelessly and tirelessly to become a highly successful person. Your job is to set clear and specific goals for yourself, write them down, and work towards achieving them every other single day. And to remind yourself always, in the face of all the problems and the difficulties you will be experiencing, that failure is not an option. With this kind of attitude, more than anything else, yes, your long-term success will be guaranteed. So guys, I want to encourage you to always understand how important failure is in our life. And the moment you understand what this video intends for you, please, I just wish you the best in your life. And I want to take this moment to ask you boldly that identify one major failure. Yes, identify one major fear in your life. It could be failure, it could be criticism, it could be disapproval, and thereafter resolve. Yes, make a resolution to act as if that fear did not exist. Yes, imagine that if you act in the direction of your dreams and goals, your success is guaranteed. And just do it. So guys, with this, I want to encourage you that whenever you are faced with failure, it is a learning moment. Yes, you just take that opportunity to take a firm stand and resolve to act without any fear. I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, the Success Ingredients channel, and I want to thank you for watching this video. I am and I remain Tumsime Matthias on Success Ingredients channel, a YouTube channel that sharpens your mind, that makes you like a magnet, yes, that can attract success of whichever kind. Thank you for watching.